Hello friends, welcome you to my channel. Today we are going to see the first lesson of 11th standard, Living World. So let's start the video. Friends, the earth is made up of two different compounds. First one biotic and second one abiotic. Biotic compound is simply a living organism which perform development and growth, and abiotic factor means non-living which does not perform growth and development. Now we will going to learn some basics principle of life. First one, A. Born living being have to survive. It is the rule of nature. We cannot go against to it. We need energy to survive. Without energy, we cannot survive. Our body cannot work, and that energy is get by the means of vegetable and fruits. For that, we have to perform metabolism. Metabolism means breaking of molecules and making a new molecules. We can also say that breaking of molecules, catabolism, and making a new molecules, anabolism. Second B. After birth, organisms show tendency of growth and development. This growth is well orchestrated process. It means that this process have some limited time span. It is a slow going process. Third, C. Growth and development process have limited time span. Some organism does not perform the function after a period of time. They stop working. Fourth one, D. The organism try to produce a young one like itself. There are two different types, sexual and second one is asexual. We have studied the both type in 10th and 9th standard also. Fifth one, E. The body loses its capacity to perform metabolism. Do organism die? Because of that, some organs does not perform or stop the functioning. Now our last one basic principle is that living being respond to thermal, chemical or biological changes in their surrounding. Means what is happening in our surrounding, our body is being affected by that. Herbarium. A herbarium is a collection of preserved plant species associated data used for scientific study. This is the plain white sheet. The plant is stick with the help of glue on the sheet. To protect the plant, sometimes a plastic cover is also put it on the upper side of the plant. The size of herbarium sheet is 42 by 28 centimeter. In the index box of herbarium sheet, there is the botanical name of plant, common name of plant, family of plant, locality, and author who have found that plant. Botanical garden, the place where plant of different variety collected from different parts of world are available there. There are more than thousands different variety of plant species. Some of them are rare and some of them are collected from the outside of the nation. In Kolkata, there is a big botanical garden of the India. It contains a banyan tree. The banyan tree have taken over 1.5 acres of area. It is so old, more than 255 years old. This banyan tree is given the name of Great Indian Banyan Tree. This name is written in the Guinness Book of the World Record. Museum, the place where collection of preserved plants and animal species are kept. Biological museum in education institute are reference hub of biodiversity study. The museum contain ancient weapon, coins, dresses of queen and king, etc. Some museums contain the skeleton of dinosaurs and humans, while some museums contain the ancient cars. Zoological Park, it is also known as zoo. Wild animals are kept there. Zoo contain more than 1,000 different types of animals. In the zoo, the animals are safe, they are not harmed by any person. In zoo, you can see different variety of birds and different type of animal. Biodiversity Park. Conservation of natural heritage. Biodiversity Park contain rare plant species which are going to rare. Common people are not allowed to enter in that park. Key. Key is a taxonomical act used for classification of plants and animals. Key is a small book which contains the summary of that plant or animal species.